Hello everyone, I will be going over my thoughts on one of the chapters for the first half of the book, Flying Fox in the Freedom Tree by Albert Wynne. I will be focusing on the significant, meaningful aspects of the coming of the white man on pages 72 to 83. In the beginning of the first page of the chapter, it stated how most of the young adults that go abroad in New Zealand do not plan on coming back home since they have started a life there. Except for one, Palua, who is the protagonist in this chapter. It also stated how he stays in his village, the Vape, permanently. Number two, his father's curse upon him before he died. It stated from the Vape elders that if any of your parents or grandparents curse you, it is, quote, doomed like the devil whom God cursed into hell, unquote. Number three, Palua dressed, talked, and behaved like a white man after being deported from New Zealand. For instance, Palua talked in English, wore glittering attire, and talked in a civilized manner. I want to know that in the story it did not yet state why he was deported. Palua showed his real colors further in the chapter. Definitely a woman beater, battering both his previous and current partner, Mary Dunstan and Lafata. He has mistreated everyone, such as his people and loved ones. Lastly, he only cared about one thing, which is his suitcase, as referred to as his life. Lastly, number 5, the last page of the chapter, which depicts the inside mind and ending of Palua. Quote, he'll tell you in English, I am white, I am a white man, and smile like a contented child. The true son of the Vape died in New Zealand, killed by a woman who didn't love him. A white man was deported to the Vape. We crucify him, unquote. Okay, the most significant aspect, in my opinion, will have to again be the last page of the chapter that depicts the inside mind of and ending of Palua. To go more in depth, I think that during his time in Vape, after being deported from New Zealand, he had made himself into someone he is not, a white person, or believed to be, so hoping that maybe, and this is my guess, that he could obtain maybe the respect, admiration, attention he was seeking from his first partner. Also, it is clear that Palua is delusional, believing after being almost beaten up to death that he is still a white person. Why I think this is the most significant, meaningful aspect is because it displays how a foreign place or foreign people can change or alter who you are, your beliefs, and your values. And I also think it's important to stand firm in your roots and be proud of that. Thanks for listening. Take care and be safe always.